All right, so this build has special importance. Enough that when I asked the wife if I could spend money on the Legos, she didn't bat an eye. She said, go ahead. When does it get back in stock? So if you watch the video, my trip to Atlantic City, under Elf Stories section, I talk about when I go there and I ask my girlfriend time to marry me, and then she becomes my wife, and we go on our honeymoon eventually, and we go to Hawaii. And the thing that we like the most, because it was also in the show Farscape, is the bird of paradise. So that's like our flower. We brought some seeds back. We planted them. They didn't grow. So that's why we got this. I'm pretty excited to have this. I just got back in stock and I bought it. It's model number 10289. It's 1,173 pieces. We'll see how many are extra. I'm betting 12. I'm saying 12 pieces extra. It's made for 18 plus because it must be dirty. No, I'm just kidding. It's because it's difficulty to build, I'm guessing. All right, I'm going to adjust the camera and then we're going to open this up and build some flowers. That's not how you opened your box? Huh. I guess someone did it the wrong way. I know I made bag one. Keep two handy. We get two is 3 bags. Oh, 5 looks like it's going to be monotonous. 3, 4, 5 from hell. I hope that's not a serial number. I hope that's just her in-house product number or something. I hate when they try to make everything a collector's item. Glasses, it helps. Bird of Paradise, whether you're celebrating your love of horticulture or simply looking for a colorful, maintenance-free flowering plant. Yep, this one will grow and I won't be able to kill it. We get the joke. I'm just waiting for the wife to say that. Look, another plant you can't kill. Become a Lego designer, tells about him. That's nice. Stunning flower plant is indigenous South Africa and can grow. South Africa, I saw it in Hawaii. Or crane flower, brilliant beauty, blah, blah, blah. Grow your own Lego collection. Now they're trying to pimp their other shit. I already got the bonsai tree. You can watch that video. It should be somewhere under there. I didn't like that one, the bouquet of flowers. Ooh, and it comes with a Lego tool because I don't have enough of them already. But I guess you gotta get them somehow. All right, bags 1 and 2 make the base. Bags 3, 4, 5 make the flower. Start with bag 1. Kind of figured that. Bag 1. Bag 1 with medium bits. Bag 1 with little bits. Ooh, there's shiny bits too. That's my favorite color. Right there. Shiny, I don't care. Gold, silver, copper, bronze, just shiny. That and clear. I also like clear. Clear shiny, that's the shit. Some of you are going, what the fuck am I watching? All right, and 2 hinges. Oh, this is going to be a hinge build. I'm going to suck at this. We're going to make so many mistakes. We are not good at this. Step 3 done. Of how many steps? Ray likes to know this. 107 steps. Oh, the last one's just to add the things and shake them up and dump them in there as dirt. Okay. All right. I get it. But still, it's 107 steps. Step 3 done. Step 4. Oh, and I got to do this a couple times. I might as well do it all 4 times at once. Hey? Hey, Scooby? That way, if one's wrong, they're all wrong. All right, step 4 done. Step 5. What? Goes like that. This opens, it lays here, and goes like that. Okay. There we go. Step 5 done. Step 7 done. Now they all line up together and this latches on the other side the same way. Yay. Step 8 done. Okay. These go. This goes here. Oh, on the black ones. Black and brown go together. Green and green go together. Guessing that means this is going to be the trunk, the steady, strong part of the tree. Plant. Flower. Pot. I think I'm making the pot, actually. Strong pot. Okay, 4 of these. And 4 of these. Big brown goes on the green. Oh, now this whole thing looks like poop. It's a landmine to step on at night. Oh, you can make them sharper. Never mind, that'd be terrible. This Lego model contains more Lego golden rings than any other set. That's these. Ooh. More golden rings, people. Sonic would love this. All right, we take that and we put that on it. And a round tan one in the middle for some reason. And a big thick one on top for some reason. And 4 black axles. Or these things with the, whatever you call them. Four golden rings. And now it goes in the middle here. Like that. And I have no idea why they put golden rings in there instead of plastic ones, if the whole thing's going to be hidden. I think it's just to say they're in there. Something is wrong on this. No, that's right. And then these go up, not horizontal, Robert. You idiot. They go like that. Step 14 done. $15 done. Go on now. All right, 16 done. Okay, that would be step number 17. Butterflies again. This goes there. All right, 18 done. Pay attention, Robert. All right, 19, done. And with that, oh, one more big one. All right, 20, done. Looks like an arc reactor. Tony Stark. I'll be back. That's like our flower. We brought some seeds back. We planted them. They didn't grow.